I work outside in the morning for the student drop-off, and I stand near Schrader Creek. I'm at the end of the line. I think I'm a bubbly guy. I'm social. I like to say hi to people in the hallways and say hi to the kids. And so I'm outside, and I like wave to the parents. It's like, hey, you know what? I might be the last smile they see for the day, or maybe the first smile of the day, and it puts them in a good mood. And then I got to thinking, I'm watching the cars go through, and there's people that have their pets all the time. There's certain dogs or puppies or whatever. I'm like, I want to do something fun. So I started Dog Treat Tuesday. They come through. I have little dog treats, and they roll up and they put the window down, and I get to know some of the dogs' names. Some of them I can't remember, but it's fun. The parents really seem to enjoy it. It puts another smile on their face, even the parents that are behind them. And I hand out parents treats sometimes too. On a Friday maybe I'll give out, some suckers or something like that. And they're always so surprised, and I give some of the kids in there too. It's just another way to create that atmosphere of the school. This is where we belong, we're happy, we're all on the same team together, that kind of thing. I really just started teaching or subbing at the middle school level. That's where I got my feet wet. And I just loved it, just helping out with the kids. And that's basically why most teachers probably go into education, because they want to be a role model and they want to just help, as much as they can. So that's where it just all started from, just trying to trial and error, and it was fun. It's a very long story technically, but I went to college, I got married, and my wife was a teacher already, and so I really got interested in that, started subbing, realized that I wanted to be in education, so I got my teaching degree, worked my way into middle school math, and we moved again, so I sought out the Winsville district, and now I'm teaching a Project Lead the Way class called App Creator. I do some coding with 7th graders, 8th grade media production, 8th grade design and build, which is our kind of a shop class. I am an avid woodworker at home, so I love doing that kind of stuff, making crafts, and we've gone to craft fairs and sold some things that we've made. I also do 7th grade Tech Explo, which is just getting our hands on any kind of technology we can find, from editing software to making music and robots and that kind of stuff. I like the fact that I do have a variety of classes, because I'm not always stuck in one particular subject. I get to touch a little bit of everything. It's really nice. You have to buy into wherever you're at and get involved, and been in education for probably about 26 years or so. This is right where I need to be.